Time now for business news. The co-chairman of the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, Keith Duncan, is demanding that the government get the National Identification System, NIDS, back on track. He argues that NIDS is crucial to improving the ease of doing business in Jamaica and should not be derailed any further. He was speaking at an EPOC press briefing on Tuesday.
What I know I want right now is to ensure that, and EPOC wants, is to ensure that we have NIDS so that we can transition into a digital economy where people can do business easily. There's no reason to be paranoid around the implementation of NIDS. I believe we can get to a solution if we work together as a people, because the fears that are being evoked from a national ID system, which exists in many countries, right, is, I believe, to be unjustified.
Mr. Duncan is calling on the government and opposition and other stakeholders to meet and quickly devise the way forward. Jamaica's economy grew by 1.9% during the 2018-2019 fiscal year. Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, says the growth was driven mainly by the mining, agriculture and construction sectors.
Real GDP is estimated to have grown by 1.9% for fiscal year 2018-19. The goods producing industry is estimated to have grown by 4.7%, while the services industry by 1%.
Dr. Henry says the country is expected to record a similar growth this year, likely to be supported by increased demand for goods and services.
The growth projection for fiscal year 19-20 is within the range of 1% to 2%. The economy's short-term performance is predicated on increased demand from both external and domestic sources. With regard to external demand, Jamaica is expected to benefit from the improved performance of the global economy, which is projected to grow by 3.3%, and in particular, our main trading partner, the U.S. economy, which is projected to grow by 2.3%.
The PIOJ Director General says the 2019-2020 outlook could be derailed if delays persist at the Alpart refinery. And that's the business day. When we come back, news from overseas.